If you're looking to automate ticket follow-ups for unresolved issues, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute guide, I'll show you exactly how to set up an automated process that makes sure your customers never feel neglected and you never miss an opportunity to resolve their issues. First, you want to make sure you're using software that allows for automated workflows. There are plenty of options out there, but after trying some of the most popular ones, I found one that stands out. I'll give you access to a special free trial in the description so you can follow along. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is set up a trigger for when a ticket is marked as unresolved. This trigger can be based on the ticket status, whether it's still open or pending, or simply hasn't been resolved in a certain time frame. This is crucial because it ensures that your automated follow-up process only happens when necessary. Once you've set that trigger, you'll want to customize the follow-up message. Here's the thing. Don't just send a generic email. Personalize it based on the ticket details, and make sure it's clear that you're actively working on a solution. This is where automation really saves time. You can set up templates that fill in dynamic data like the customer's name, ticket ID, or issue type. Next, schedule the follow-up. You can automate this to send an email or even a text after a set amount of time, depending on when you think it's appropriate for a follow-up. A simple 24-hour delay is a good starting point, but the beauty of automation is that you can adjust the timing to suit your needs. You can even send a series of follow-ups if necessary, spaced out over a few days. Another key element is ensuring that follow-up responses trigger additional actions. If the customer replies to your follow-up, this should update the ticket status and prevent any more automated messages from going out. This is important so that you're not spamming your customers with follow-ups after they've already reached out again. For efficiency, consider adding an escalation feature. If the issue still hasn't been resolved after a certain period, escalate the ticket to a higher tier of support or management. This ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Finally, you'll want to track everything. Automation only works as well as the data you gather. Monitor how effective your automated follow-ups are and adjust based on customer feedback. Automation isn't perfect out of the box, so continuously tweak the process to improve customer satisfaction. The key takeaway here is that automating ticket follow-ups for unresolved issues not only improves efficiency, but also enhances the customer experience. It's all about setting triggers, personalizing follow-ups, scheduling them correctly, and keeping track of everything. By using our recommended software, you can set all of this up in no time. Before we finish, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked below. It's available only for viewers of my channel, and it's a great way to start automating your ticket follow-ups today. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to check out the free trial in the description below.